Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So guys, what will happen when you take the most viral meme coin in history and put it into Bitcoin? This isn't just another fraud, it's the PPDNA. It's the product I'm going to review today, which is Pexebel. So this product is really good. So they have already raised $500,000 in under 48 hours. That's a big achievement. So before starting the video, I'm going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. So guys, here you can see I am on the website of Pexebel, and here you can see the first meme empire on Bitcoin layer 2. Down here you can check out their pre-sale is currently live, and buy Pexebel right from the pre-sale. So your purchase as well as takeable amount will be shown here. You can buy with any of your crypto, as well as you can buy it with card as well. So now I want to tell you some of the history about the PP. If we check out the chart of the PP, you can see it has given us the return of almost 3000%. So this is really good. This is the history of PP coins. So this one is already really good, and it's also of that type. So as you know, PP made the history with zero utility and pure meme power. So same is the concept with Pexebel as well. So you can think that this will also give solid returns as well. Also you can check out the staking rewards are 5.72%. So now let's check out some of the news, and here you can check out as the Bitcoin reached a new all-time high. So Bitcoin layer 2 gems like Pexebel is also going to explode so much. So this is the solid sign that this product will also perform really well and give you solid returns as well. So you can see all of the things are in the favor of this product. So let's check out some of the details of the product, which includes Bitcoin layer 2. They have bridge L2 operation, settlement, and security, as well as withdrawal features are also available. So you can check out the website interface. It's also really good. So guys, they are providing plus 5% additional bonus for the early birds as well. So make sure you join it and take the benefit of this offer as well. So now let's check out their staking feature. Here we are on their staking portal. You can check out Pexebel staking. The distribution of Pexebel token rewards will occur gradually with each ETH block. So this is really good. You can check out the total rewards as well as the tokenomics. Each and everything is shown here. So this product is really good. The total token supply growth over 2 years is also shown here. So this is really good. So now let's come back to the main site, and I want to tell you another thing that they had raised 500k, means $500,000 in just 48 hours without doing any sort of marketing. Because of the hype of the product, they had already raised this much amount, because the product is built on Bitcoin layer 2, and you know that Bitcoin is performing really well. It had given the all-time high just right now, a few days before. So the product is performing really well. So method of buying is also shown here. Step 1 is you must have a wallet like MetaMask Trust wallet. Then you have to load it with ETH or USDT. Then come to the site, connect, and then enter the amount which you want, and then convert, and then hold as well. So you can check out the tokenomics of the product are also shown here. The contract address is shown here, and the total supply is shown here. For the treasury, they have reserved 25% of the supply. For marketing, they have reserved 20% of the supply. For community reward, they have reserved 15%. For listing, they have reserved 10%. For product development, they have reserved 20%, and 10% of the amount is for staking of the product. So listing strategy as well as the contract audit is done. They are trusted by Coin, Telegraph, Coin, Market Cap, Bitcoin.com, Crypto News. These are all of the big names of the crypto space. Also, they have answered some of the frequently asked questions as well. So make sure you can read it. Why does pre-sale? When does pre-sale end? What is Pexebel? All of the questions that are coming in your mind are already answered by them. Also make sure you follow them on Twitter as well as on their Telegram community, because the developers of the product are already part of this community, and you can directly talk to them as well. So now let's check out some of the news articles regarding this project. So guys, here you can see we are on the Crypto Inside. This is the big article site, and here you can see they have wrote an article on the Pexebel telling about its potential, and you can read it as well. Each and everything is shown here. They had already told you the whole details of the product in this article as well. Also, we can check out the second article on crypto, which they had already covered the Pexebel, because the product has already raised this much amount in just 48 hours. So it's currently into trend as well, and it's a unique product, and you also know that PP has performed really well, so this would be next PP according to them. So now let's check out the daily crypto hub, and you can see another article there. So they're currently trending, and you can see Pexebel everywhere on almost all of the article sites related to crypto. So guys, make sure you become part of the pre-sale and become and get the 5% bonus for the early birds as well. These products are really good according to me, so do some on research as well, because this video is for educational purposes only. Also make sure you read out their white paper as well and join their social media handles as well. So guys, I hope you like this amazing and awesome product review and like this video as well as subscribe my channel as well. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.